Hello everyone. So for social studies today, you're going to go to Studies Weekly the same way you did yesterday. Log in with Clever, then go to week 14, and you are going to read the second colonial life. So not the first one, go down to the third article. So Colonial Life, A Hard Life, and then you're also going to read Dolly Madison. Now, before you read this, make sure you watch the video. There is a video for Dolly Madison too, so watch the video and read this. You can have it read it to you if you press play up here, and then answer the questions at the bottom. Now, when you are done with that, you're going to go to Google Classroom. And once you're on Google Classroom, click on Classwork. And you're going to go down to Social Studies and go to the questions for Tuesday. And click on this form right here, the Google Forms that says Tuesday. That is where you're going to answer your questions from your reading today. So this is your assignment. Click on it and you are going to wait for it to load. And then you're going to answer the questions. So which colonial job or jobs would you want to have the most and why? So out of all the jobs that you have read about, which colonial job would you want to do and why? The museum director is not a colonial job. That is a present time job for people that study the colonial times or any other times depending on what museum they're working at. But all the other jobs are colonial jobs, but the museum director is not, so do not pick that one. The evidence, or what evidence can you give that supports that Dolly Madison wanted to treat all people the same? So when you're reading about Dolly Madison, just look for evidence in what you read that Dolly Madison did want to treat all people the same. And then the last one, I just want you to give 2 facts that you learned about Dolly Madison. Facts are true statements about Dolly Madison. Don't just write random sentences that you found in that passage. Make sure you tell me 2 things about Dolly Madison. And then once you do that, just click submit and that'll turn it in. When you click submit, you will probably have to also go back to the, let me see. If you click submit and it doesn't go back, just make sure you click the turn in button on here so I can go back and look at your answers. And then you're done with social studies for the day. Thank you.